Hello tech enthusiasts, welcome back to our channel, your technical tutor. Today we are going to explore how to test a local website using Visual Studio Code. So buckle up and let's dive right in. First thing, we need to install Visual Studio Code. If you don't know how to install it, then check out the I button. Once you have successfully installed it, we will create a new folder here. So I'm creating a new folder and inside it I will create a new file which is create.html, and now we will open this file in Visual Studio. Here is .html.text, so I will rename it. I will rename it as create.html. Now we will code some code over here. Now over here I will create some paragraph. Hello world. I will use it a heading tag over here, and now I will create some paragraph. So for that I will go to any of my browser and I will find some that lorem sun text, and then I will copy this text and now I will paste over here. And then once we complete creating a new project, then save that project once, and now we will be using live server to see our website. And for that live server, I have told you before in my last video that how to use it and how can we install it. So go there through I button above, and then we will click on the go live over here. So I will click on go live. You can see the text over here. Now we will re-go to Visual Studio. Okay, now I am minimizing it, and now I will go to this terminal part. This is the fun part actually. So I will click the terminal button and click on the new terminal. Now over here I will write ipconfig and I will click enter. Now come below over here and you can see IPv4 part. This one we need to copy this IP address. So I will show this one how you can do in my firstly in mobile device and then in my another device. So just copy this and paste in the mobile device. Now over here we'll go to the Chrome browser and we will write that IP address that we have copied 1.4, and now you can see we have that we have this port ID in my PC 5500. We will type that, sorry, 5500, and where is, now I will click enter. And now my this site is not secure, so it is asking like this, so continue to that site and you can see like this, just create.html. You just click on that and you can see the same thing which was in my uh, PC. Over here you can see. Now I will go to my another device and I will show you over there too. Now in this device 192.168.1.4 colon 5500, and I will click enter. Now click here and you can see the same website over here, and now we will go to Visual Studio again and add some paragraph over here. So I will go to Chrome again and I will type lorem ipsum again, and I will copy that new text and I will paste over my code. So I will go to Visual Studio and paste that same code, I mean paragraph, which I have copied. Now I will rearrange this paragraph, and now I will going to save this. So press Ctrl+S, save it and go to the website, and you can see the new text over here. As we press Ctrl+S, we can see the changes in our website, and this is where Visual Studio Code is science. When we change something on the code, it will automatically detect the change you make to your website files, and there you saw it. Testing a local website using Visual Studio Code is as easy as pie. Give it a try and let us know how it goes in the comment below. Don't forget in the comment to give your views how you like it, and if you like this video then subscribe, and for more tips and tricks like this one. Thanks for tuning in, and I will see you in the next video.